All right, let's talk about utilizing stock photos. So right here, I have my section divider. Now, this is my Halloween cookbook, so there's going to be some Halloween pictures in here. But if I go to this little edit button on the side and go to picture, the picture tab up here, you'll actually see if I scroll down, there are a few stock photos already in here. And you can choose from any of these, but if that's not enough for you, you can actually click this little search more icon and I could type in anything I wanted to. So let's say my main course is, I do have a salmon recipe, so we go ahead and type salmon and search. And if we just give it a minute, it'll start loading up some really great salmon photos. So this one right here, you'll see it says $1.50. Now these prices are a one-time fee. So if you put this photo inside this book and then you ordered, I don't know, 20 copies, you only pay that 150 fee one time, not 20 times. You're just basically buying the license to be able to put it inside your book, and then you can reprint that book as many times as you want. If you do go to put it in another book, you will have to pay that fee again, but for this book, it's only 150. So you can choose from any of these. This one's really fun and bright and colorful, so you can use that one. It's going to tell you all the licensing information right here. If you hit import photo, you'll actually see that it drops into your gallery, and you can use it to place it on this section divider. So I'll go to design, and it should change. Just give it 1 second. It's a pretty big photo. Cool. And then I can hit fill image, which will make sure that it actually fills the entire space here. Or I can hit fit image so you can see the whole thing, but since it's pretty close, I'll go ahead and use fill image. Then I can go to my text. It says main courses. So right here, I'm going to say section name. I have it set as transparent right now since I had a fun design set before. I can go ahead and grab a fun font. And you can kind of see it's a little bit difficult to read there. So I'm going to go ahead and line this at the bottom. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and maybe change this font color to white. And if it's still a little bit difficult to read, you can actually change the background color to a different color. So I could do like green, or I could go up here and choose a fun orange color to match the salmon, and I could save that. So that's how you use stock photos. You can use these on recipe pages, you can use it on section dividers, you can use it on your cover, you can literally use it wherever you want inside your book. So if you have any more questions, let us know. You have thousands of options inside that stock photo search. So just look around, search tons of different keywords, and you'll definitely find what you're looking for. But if you have questions, let us know. Send us an email at support@createmycookbook.com. Thanks.